Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best lightweight upright vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many lightweight upright vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each lightweight upright vacuums, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a lightweight upright vacuum. Start by checking the vacuum's weight and ease of movement, as this affects comfort during cleaning. Look for strong suction power and reliable performance on different floor types like carpets and hardwood. Pay attention to filtration systems, especially HEPA filters, which help remove fine dust and allergens efficiently. Consider the dust bin capacity and how easy it is to empty without making a mess. Cord length or cordless battery life also matters for convenience and reach. Evaluate included attachments, such as crevice tools and upholstery brushes that enhance versatility. Noise level is another factor, especially if you prefer quieter operation. Lastly, check warranty and brand reputation for long-term reliability and support. Choosing the right lightweight upright vacuum ensures a cleaner home with less effort. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.